Welcome to Serene Mind Studio. This session is a guided body scan designed to facilitate deep, rapid sleep by systematically deconstructing physical tension. Whether you are a long-time practitioner or this is your first time joining us, your only objective is to listen and let go. We will not use forced relaxation. Instead, we will simply perform a cold, systematic audit of your body's physical weight. Take a few moments to settle. Close your eyes. Do not try to fall asleep. That effort is what keeps you awake. Instead, we will simply perform a cold, systematic audit of your body's physical weight. Notice the darkness behind your eyelids. It is not an empty space, it is a curtain. Accept the reality that the day is over. Whatever remains unfinished is no longer your concern. For the next few minutes, your only task is to witness your own stillness. Now we begin the scan. The head. Start at the very top of your head. Feel the skin on your scalp loosen. Move down to your forehead. Imagine it smoothing out like a piece of heavy, damp paper. Release your eyebrows. Let your eyes sink deep into their sockets, toward the back of your skull. The jaw. Unclench your jaw. Let your tongue rest heavily. There is no more need for speech. There is no more need for expression. Your face is now a mask of cold, still ceramic. The shoulders and arms. Feel your shoulders drop. They are heavy, like dark wood. Let that weight travel down your arms, through your elbows and into your wrists. Your hands are resting now. Your fingers are motionless. They have no work left to do. The torso. Observe your chest and stomach. They move with the tide of your breath, but they require no effort from you. Feel your spine. Imagine each vertebra sinking deeper into the mattress, one by one, like stones settling at the bottom of a quiet lake. The legs. Move your awareness to your hips. Let them widen and settle. Feel the massive weight of your thighs, your knees, your calves. Your legs are becoming dense, like marble. They are being pulled down by the honest force of gravity. The feet. Finally, reach your toes. Feel the very tips of your feet. Every ounce of tension has been pushed out. Your body is no longer a machine. It is a silhouette. It is an object in a dark room. You are heavy. You are still. The boundary between you and the bed is disappearing. There is nothing left to hold on to. Surrender to the weight. Surrender to the dark. Sleep.